Okay, so the next step is installation of something called the bootloader. When a chip is freshly powered on, it does not yet have the operating system in its memory. The operating system for a microcontroller is called the firmware, by the way, and some process must load the firmware into memory before it can be executed. This initial process is called the bootloader. For the ESP8266, the most common bootloader is the ESP tool. That is the name of the bootloader. The bootloader needs to be installed on your laptop, and it will be used for primarily doing two things. First, before we do anything, we will clean the flash memory of the ESP before we load the firmware. And the second step is to load the firmware itself. Now, ESP tool can be installed via the Python package manager as shown here in the command line. So we just do pip install ESP tool. Since my system had it already installed, it did not do much. If you are installing it for the first time, it will go through all the install steps. Okay, so at this point, ESP tool is installed, and you should make sure that it is properly installed by just asking for a help menu, which can be done by esp tool.py-help. It should really show up all the available commands, and we are going to just see what these commands, a few of these commands are in the next steps.